Great question. The problem occurs when we have an Excel book. I've created this, called it data, and placed it on my desktop. Then in Power Automate Desktop, you launch Excel to open that Excel book. Let's go open the following document, and here we will just hard code in the path. I placed it on my desktop. Then let's disable make instance visible, and I hit save. When I run this, then that will open an Excel instance, and because it's not closed again, then it will go into a locked state. Let me show you here. If I open up the Excel book, you will see that it's locked for editing. To solve this now, when we have the problem, we can open up the command prompt by going down to the Windows Start and search for CMD for command prompt, hit enter to open it. Then you want to write taskkill.f.im, force an image, and close down the excel.exe. Hit enter, and now you will see the Excel has been terminated. Here I can minimize the command prompt, and if I open up the Excel again, you will see that it caused a serious error. I can open it again and close the recovery version. So that's how you can unlock your Excel. But you probably also want to fix it in Power Automate Desktop. Let me show you how we can do that. So again, I close down my Excel. The trick here is to have a close Excel first. Here I will choose not to save the document, because if I do this, then the instance will open and close again. So what can cause problems here? Well, imagine that you test your flow or run it in production and an error occurs between step 1 and 2. That could be, let's have a terrible one. We will have a set variable, and let's just have an expression here where we say 1 divided by 0. You are not allowed to do that. So this will cause an error. If I do that and I click run, now you will see it launches. It produces an error. And now again, when I try to open it, it's again in locked mode. So what we do here is let us just go back to the command prompt. Let's kill Excel again. If you want the solution when you develop, because you will produce errors when you develop, that is to open up the launch Excel, make instance visible, then I hit save. If I run now, what's happening now is that the Excel is opening. It will still produce an error, but now you will see that you have your data here in the background. You can manually close it now, and then you will not have the problem by opening it. Of course, when you move it to production, you will need to take this into account and do a few checks if needed. Check this entire video about Power Automate Desktop and Excel. See you there.